Celebrating the new year at home becomes vibrant, flavorful, and deeply satisfying when the focus is on cooking a spicy and delicious meal together, especially homemade fried rice paired with hot garlic chicken, turning the kitchen into the heart of the celebration and everyday moments into cherished memories. Begin the day by setting a festive mood in the house using simple household items, string lights or candles to add warmth, colorful napkins or scarves as table runners, reused jars as decorative holders, and a handmade New Year's sign or wish board where family members can write hopes for the coming year, so the environment feels special without requiring expensive decorations. As excitement builds, shift the focus to the kitchen, where the real celebration unfolds. Prepare ingredients together by washing and chopping vegetables, cooking and cooling rice in advance, and marinating chicken with garlic, soy sauce, chili paste, pepper, and spices, allowing each family member to take part according to their comfort and skill level. The process of making fried rice becomes fun and interactive, with someone heating the wok, another stirring the rice, others adding eggs, vegetables, and sauces, while laughter, conversation, and music fill the space, creating a lively atmosphere that reflects the spirit of the new year. Hot garlic chicken adds a bold, restaurant-style excitement to the menu, as the aroma of sizzling garlic, chilies, and crispy chicken fills the home, making everyone eagerly anticipate the meal. Adjusting spice levels together ensures the dish suits everyone's taste while still keeping its fiery charm. Cooking side by side encourages teamwork and connection, reminding everyone that celebration is not only about eating but also about sharing effort and joy. When the food is ready, serve it family style on a neatly arranged table, garnish with spring onions or fried garlic, light a few candles, and take a moment to express gratitude for the past year before enjoying the meal together. After dinner, keep the celebration going with simple activities like storytelling, music, games, or watching a favorite movie, letting the warmth of good food and good company linger. As midnight approaches, gather for a countdown, exchange heartfelt wishes, enjoy tea or a light dessert, and reflect on dreams and goals for the year ahead. By centering the New Year celebration around spicy fried rice and hot garlic chicken, combined with shared preparation and simple home decor, the occasion becomes meaningful, joyful, and full of flavor, proving that the best celebrations are often created at home through togetherness, love, and the shared pleasure of a delicious meal. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will support my channel.